Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk how does Aspen Dental accept your insurance plan, your dental insurance. So in this video I'm going to show you which type of dental insurance they are accepting right now. Okay, so I will provide you this link in our video description. You can also visit, or this is the official website, and on this official website you can see accept dental insurance plans like A to C, like Athena, US Healthcare, Anthem Unicare. So these are the plans, okay, they are accepting right now. And we talk about like this Delta Dental, yes, they are accepting dental, and you can see these are the plans they are accepting right now. And you can also see like these are the plans they are accepting right now. Okay, so basically the Aspen Dental plan, the Aspen Dental accepting these insurances. Okay, so this is the complete list. Now if you have any other questions, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care, see you soon in the next video.